Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and in this video we're looking at another viper-tec knife that I had purchased a few months ago. This is the viper-tec Mini Black Ghost, a double action out the front knife. Now the blade type that I chose for this one, you can pick from I think a drop point blade, tanto blade, and then this one here is a double edged blade. Now in my state I am allowed to own this knife, but it's not exactly clear if I'm allowed to carry this knife, so I'm pretty sure I'm just going to sell this knife. I don't want to test out the laws with carrying this knife, and I have other knives to keep around the house, so I'll be selling this knife. Before we get into the specs, let's take a look at the pocket clip. This pocket clip I feel is a bit too big, especially for the small size of this knife. And then I don't understand why this piece is here, maybe as a lanyard loop, but you have the glass break here with holes for a lanyard loop as well. But again, I'm not much of a knife guy, just dabbling in the hobby, more into watches, obviously, from the channel name. So I'll just stick with watches, and not planning on doing too many more knife reviews here. So the specs of this knife, the price is about $70. As of the time of the recording, they're out of stock, but the price on these looks to be about $70 normally. Total length on this is 7 inches. This from the tip to the end here. Blade length is 2.75 inches. Blade thickness on this is 0.11 inches. According to the website, the blade width is 0.8 inches, but that can't be true. This got to be smaller than that. So let's, yeah, I would say it's about ½ inch actually. So blade width is ½ inch. This is a 440L stainless steel. 440C stainless steel. And the handle is zinc alloy. And the overall weight on this is 4.3 ounces. So here's a look at it in my hand. My hands are, I would say, probably medium size. When I buy mechanics gloves, I'll get the medium size. They're a little bit tight, but I'll say I have medium hands. Again, I don't have much experience with the high-end knives to know how the quality of this compares with those, but I would say it's probably not a bad knife if you can get this on sale, say around the Black Friday time frame. There is, in my mind, there's quite a bit of blade play, but I don't have much experience with these type of knives. And then here, side to side as well. So just a short video here discussing this knife. Also in the hand, this clip kind of digs into the hand here. So maybe could be a nice letter opener. It does come in this cardboard box, and then this little fabric case here with the clip or buckle, whatever you call these things. And the back of this is Velcro, so I don't know if I would trust carrying this knife in this Velcro pouch. I don't know. So yeah, that will conclude today's video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.